Hi everyone, I have another project share. This one is a Christmas cracker box, and it's really cute. So you can go ahead and put lip gloss, chapstick, candies in there that would fit. They're really cute, and here's the tutorial and how I went and made this. So you want to go ahead and start with your base measurement at 6.5 and 4.5. So it's 6.5 side. You want to go ahead and score it at 1, 1.5. Ooh, jumped. Okay, and then at 2. And then after 2, you want to go ahead and go 4.5, 5, and 5.5. So again, that is 1, 1.5, 2, then go 4.5, 5, and 5.5. Then turn your card to the right, your paper, and at the 4.5 section, you want to score this at 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Let's move that out of the way. And then you want to go ahead and just fold all your score lines and just crease them. And then also this way. Okay, so now go ahead and bring out your punch board, and at the 6.5, you want to go ahead at the bigger part here. You want to go ahead and fold this inwards and punch at the 1.5 side. So you go ahead, punch that at 1.5. Okay, and you can continue and do the same thing again on the 5 side. Just punch. Then that second fold, you just fold that in there again. And you could either, while you're already at the 5, you can go ahead and punch also again at the 5. And then come back here at the 1.5. Again, fold. So you're at the 1.5. And punch. Then you take it to the 5. And punch. Then you fold that little one there, and you want to take that to the 1.5 and to the 5. And also this side. So as you started, you could see all the crease line has it, but you also want to do that edge over here. So go again at 1.5 and at 5. Right? And that's what you have left there. And then what you want to go ahead and do is put either a wet glue or your sticky tape. So I will be using my sticky tape, which is a double-sided. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the edge there. And I don't put it inside these little things here because the fact that that's the area that's going to fold and bend, so I don't need to do that. So you just want to make sure that it's really adhered on that paper. So go ahead and use your bone folder to press on there and make sure it's stuck on there really good. And then just peel back. Okay, and then you just fold this over. So you just bring your side, flip it over, and there you go. So you have this little cute little box on here. And then you can just go ahead, I put some dimensional tape on here. And then you just, I think this measures, let me see, I have to take one of the ribbons on here because I didn't bring it on. So I think this measures, I think 12 inches. And you just, so as you can see on the inside, I don't have any candies here, but you can put like, you know, stocking stuffers like glues or anything, candies. This is a glue stick, which pretty much, that means you can fit a lip gloss, chapstick, any treats that you could fit in here. So what you want to do is go ahead and look for the flat bottom side where you adhere, and you want to create your bow on this side. So like so. It's just going to go all over the place, but it's okay. So once you put in your treat in there, so you do that, you make your bow. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then put your treat in there, so it will open and expand for you. Okay. Oop, I should have just, there you go. Should let it come down a little bit more first. And then it will fit in there. I think I tied the bottom too tight. And then you just tie this like so. You know, it's so much easier when you're not recording. You can so do these bows, but then as soon as you start recording, it starts to give you a little hassle with it. And then you just adhere your sentiment or anything, and I think they're so cute. You can give these out for guests if you're having any, you know, friends, or you can leave them out for the Amazon delivery people, your postman, anything. But I think they're just so cute. And thanks for watching. Bye.